So we're at the Landsford Canal trail map. You can put in at the upper part of the park. It's pretty obvious where you put in. And then you can kayak on down. Lily's about halfway. There'll be a platform on the trail where people might be watching you. And then you take out after some channels and shallows. And if you don't have the shuttle, you can always just walk back because there's a nice little canal trail that's only 1.25 miles. That's the one brave turtle. There was like 15 of them, but that's the one. Oh, he left too. There's a snake. Shit. So the river is a little low today. It's easy to get stuck on a rock. What's nice about getting stuck on a rock, it's a good time to do a little selfie and reflection. So, the river, sometimes it's shallow, sometimes it's deep. I'm now past the lilies, or at the very end of them, and you can probably can't see it because I'm in super view, but you're looking for a red triangle where you're going to cut right. So I'm at the end of the lilies. Behind me, it's a little triangle. That's where we're going to go right. Probably can't see it because we're in super view. We're in super view. Can you see the triangle? You can see the triangle, and then another sign downriver on the right. So after that second sign, it's still a little bit. There'll be a third sign where you actually take out. How are the lilies?
Awesome. That was a bunch out. Bit bigger than I thought. Tall. Thanks for popping out. Is there one just past this tree? I'm not sure to manage it.
The trail back is just to the right of the exit sign. This kayak's only about 1.5 miles or 2 miles, so it's a bit short for someone who wants to go for the full day, but the lilies are nice and you could go upstream, and there's some ways to add some time to your adventure if you would like. I got bit by some fire ants, so I'm sitting in the river trying to cool off the bites. I need some Benadryl.